Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore charge disputes workflow using Stripe and no-code tools, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Disputes tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Disputes to access the Charge Disputes section. Identify a charge dispute you want to work on. Review the details of the dispute carefully. Gather the necessary documentation to support your case. Select the Respond button to begin the response process. Craft a clear and concise message addressing the dispute. Upload any relevant files, such as receipts or customer communication. Submit your response once you're satisfied with the content. Now, switch over to your no-code tool of choice. For this guide, we'll use Zapier as an example. Log into your Zapier account. Click on Make a Zap to start a new automation process. Choose Stripe as your trigger app. Set the trigger event to New Dispute. Connect your Stripe account to Zapier. Test the trigger to ensure it captures the correct data. Next, choose an action step in your workflow. You can select apps like Google Sheets or Slack for notifications. For Google Sheets, choose Create Spreadsheet Row as the action. Map the fields from your Stripe dispute to the spreadsheet columns. For Slack, select Send Channel Message as your action. Customize the message with relevant dispute information. Test each action to make sure it works as intended. Once you have verified that everything is functioning correctly, turn on your Zap. Now, every new dispute will be automatically logged and notified. Return to your Stripe dashboard to monitor disputes as they arise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.